Draw So Cuties Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rainbow cupcake. So let's get started. To draw this super awesome cupcake, let's first start by drawing some clouds. So we're going to come right here and we're going to just draw a little cloud. So I'm just going to draw a curve, a very simple one too. So just going to pop out maybe two curves out here and just connect it at the bottom of one more. Then I'm going to come right next to it and draw the same thing. So just want to try to make it about the same height because we need to connect it with a rainbow. There. So I have two clouds in. Then from there we're going to come into the come about right here and we're going to draw a curve to connect everything, a dollop at the top. So we're going to go up towards the center to a little point and then come right back down on the other side. There. And then let's come about right here and connect it with a curve. So that's one dollop of color for our rainbow cupcake. Then from there, let's come down about right here and we're going to start. So we're going to draw one and we're just going to go back and forth. So we're going to draw, let's see here. We're going to put in 6 colors. I know rainbows technically have 7 colors, but just to simplify it today, we're just going to put in 6. So I'm going to start on this side and we're going to get wider as we come down. So hopefully you're having fun with this and this drawing brings a smile to your day and that you're going to enjoy coloring it. So I'm just going to keep going. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. There. So just going to draw the same thing on the other side. Just take a look. You just want to approximate. And if you like, because I'm drawing pretty big, sometimes it just helps. Just drag a line, drag a point across. As I get wider, so I just kind of know that I'm going in about the right area. So right there to end it, and one more. About right here. There. Okay, so we've created this big mound, and then let's go ahead and connect everything. So I'm just gonna go and draw this curve to connect everything for every level. And if you're a little bit higher or lower, don't worry about it. It's just cream, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. So, last one. There. Okay, finally done. Then let's come to the bottom right here and we're going to put in the cake part. So let's draw an angle line down to say about right there. So same thing over here. Just going to try to match the other side. And I just want to make sure I bring it to the same level so it's just easier for me to connect it about right there. So now that I'm pretty much the same level, I'm going to go ahead, just slightly round it off a little bit so it's not so pointy. And let's go ahead and connect it. There. Okay, so then from there we need to draw the rainbow, right? So because this is a rainbow cupcake. So I'm going to come to the center right here and we're going to draw a curve. Then let's pop this out. So I'm going to put it about right here. I'm going to end right here. So let's go ahead and draw this huge curve for our rainbow. And bring it back in. There. And then we need to, I'm also going to put in 6 colors just to make it easier. So I'm going to find my center of this. See here, I'm just giving myself points so I can see where I'm going. Just makes it a little bit easier. I'm just going to follow. There. Okay, there, I've made a mess, but hopefully you get the idea. Okay, then from there, I'm going to separate this into 3. So 1 and 2. So bear with me here as I try my best to not make too much of a mess. So 1. Oops. I'm just trying to draw as light as possible so that my Sharpie is not so dark. So same thing here. Just going to separate into 3. And 1 more. There, and that level came out to be a lot thicker, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna have to fix this mess right here, but hopefully you get the idea. You just want to create 6 of these so we can put in the rainbow. Then from there, let's bring this cupcake to life. So I'm gonna come about right here. I'm going to draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm gonna come right across, say about this wide. I'm so surprised that after all these years, I have not drawn a rainbow cupcake. So it is due time, right? So I'm going to put in 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. I think I've drawn a rainbow unicorn cupcake, but not necessarily a rainbow cupcake. And lines at the bottom. Hopefully I'm right. So same thing over here. If you can find a rainbow, Draw So Cute rainbow cupcake that I've done in the past, definitely let me know in the comments below. Okay, so now that my eye's in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And of course, let's end it here with a sweet little smirk smile and cap it off. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute rainbow cupcake. I really hope you love this and that I've helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.